rankings are mostly made by people with a model. I mean, you've got to have some model to say these are the things you should measure. And depending on how these things are, then I rank you as number one. Is India the most competitive economy? Well, somebody has a model and some people have said we are number 2 or number 3. Someone else has another model and says we are number 100 and something or the other. So one begins to question, do people have the right model? Do they understand the various things that go together? And quite honestly, if I might say, that regarding what constitutes the competitiveness of a complex system like a country, the models are not that good. We discovered this, as I said, when we were, as I was talking about developing a manufacturing strategy for the country. We did consult with the best economists across the world and the World Bank and the World Economic Forum and their models and so on, and realized that there are many, many, many models, and that quite a lot of them are quite shallow. They are just looking in the rear view mirror and saying, well, if you were doing well last few years, there's some momentum here and I project that you'll continue to do well. And then something happens, the information comes about the actual situation, it's not doing that well. Now the person in the model is stuck, right? What do you say? So then you start just predicting and saying, my confidence is that so and so and so and so. So many of the conversations that you see with analysts and economists nowadays are, they're saying, well, we'll wait for the numbers to come for the last quarter because I think they will be better and therefore I think we should be confident. So again, looking at the rear view mirror, I say once you got the fundamentals located, then I can just say depending on whether or not we're taking actions on the fundamentals, I can make a prediction of what will be the future. So I'm very confident that even though many analysts and economists go up and down with respect to whether India is going to be 8.2 or 8 or 7 or 5 and 6, in fact, the greater the disagreements amongst them and the variations in what they say month to month, the more I'm sure about this fact that that's not the best way to understand what is happening in India and what will happen in India. So we need another conversation about the real stuff, which is what I was talking to you earlier about. And that real stuff is what we got down to when we made this plan overall and also the plan for industry and manufacturing. So keep your eye on that. Are those actions that are required to be taken in that model, in the models we've developed, being taken? If they are not being taken, then yes, we will not get the higher growth. So in all models, as they say, there are lagging indicators, which is the output, the result, and there are leading indicators, which are about the actions required to be taken to produce the results. Most of the analysts and others are talking with respect to lagging indicators, I mean the result. But what's the leading indicator? And the leading indicator quite often is not numeric. It's about some actions. And so you have to observe those actions and say, well, I can see those and therefore I'm confident about the outcomes which will come later.